What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to take you through the exact process on how to play on Stake Casino anywhere in the world. This is a 5-video series where each video is going to take you through a different step along the way to be able to play on Stake, or you can watch the full-length version, of course, linked down below, all 5 parts put into one, and all the links and other things that you will need are going to be in the description below. So the first step that you need to do is click the link below for Coinbase. This is where you're going to actually be able to buy your cryptocurrency to play on Stake. So head over to Coinbase and click the Get Started button and enter in your information to create an account. Once you set up your account, you need to head over to Settings and Account Limits and get yourself level 3 verified. Because I am already level 3 verified, it does not show for me, but for you, you should have 3 levels of verification that need to be completed in order to send and receive cryptocurrency. This is a very big thing because you want to be able to send the cryptocurrency that you buy from Coinbase to your Stake account, as well as send the winnings that you win from Stake back to your Coinbase account and turn that back into cash. So you need to first submit your phone number and verify that. Then you need to verify your personal information. And last, you need to submit the front and back of your driver's license. That will take an hour or two for them to verify the information on your driver's license and the information that you've entered into Coinbase is matching and is correct. So just be patient with that, please, and they will get you verified. Once you've done that, head over to Payment Methods. Click Add a Payment Method. I recommend you use debit card because it's the fastest option, so you're not having to wait 3 to 7 days like these other options such as bank account, direct deposit, or wire transfer. These ones you can actually transfer larger amounts of money, but they take much longer to actually go through the banks and go through that big process, whereas the debit card will pretty much instantly be able to use the cryptocurrency that you bought and actually send it over to Stake. Now that you have your account all set up and your payment method added, you can actually buy the cryptocurrency that you need to send over to Stake. Stake actually accepts multiple different currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, TRX, and EOS. All of these are great options and they all work great. If you're using larger amounts of money, I would recommend sticking with Ethereum or Bitcoin because these coins are much more stable and are not going to fluctuate in price as much comparatively to these other coins. However, they do have higher fees, upwards of $20 at times, which is kind of crazy. And if you're using smaller amounts, I would recommend sticking with Litecoin because it is fast as well as a very low fee, so you're not wasting all your winnings on stupid fees. Now click on Trade and either click on or type in the currency that you want to buy. I'm going to use Litecoin. So just click on Litecoin. It's going to pop up with the price chart and some more information. Then you're going to see this buy, sell, and convert box over here. Type in the amount that you want to buy. I'm going to do $10 for this video. Make sure it has Litecoin or whichever coin you want to buy, and then the payment method you want to use, and then click Preview Buy. It's going to give you the description of your purchase, the fee that's going to charge you, and how much Litecoin you're actually going to get. Now I'm just going to click Buy Now, and it's going to pop up with this, and order was submitted. Great. So it is done. As you can see, the order went through right here, and I have $8.96 worth of Litecoin. This was part 1, setting up your Coinbase account and buying the cryptocurrency that you need for Stake. Click on top if you want part 2, setting up a VPN, or click on bottom if you want the full-length video, and please like and subscribe. Peace.